God got me working harder than my demons. God got me working harder than my demons.
Hey, what's happening? Tank top Zosh back in your face. No lava for that, cause I'm back in your face, cause like we're face to face right now. So I don't think nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I don't think nothing wrong with that. But wagwan my youth. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today seems like a beautiful day to wash my girls, man. Give my girls a nice little bath. I am highly blessed, bro. Look at my driveway, bro. Just look at this, bro. Like, who would have thought? Who would have thought? Manifestation's a real thing, dog. I always said I wanted RSX. Got blessed with it. Now, Evo. Hey, I'm on your ass. And I'm right there. Whoa. Lava. Nah, Evo's a girl. Yeah, so I'm on your ass. Man, that intro never gets old. But like I said, we're gonna wash the car today. We're gonna wash both cars today. Christina definitely needs a wash, man. I haven't washed this car since I don't know when. This thing definitely needs a wash though. She's seen better days. I might even end up washing the inside too, cause it's nasty in there. But all this stuff, like, ugh. Icky.
For that little bitch, she not my type. Pullin' my Glock if he geek in the fight. Snake out your brother, that shit ain't right. Nigga want smoke, man, that shit on sight. African plus I'm in Jello rice. Flashing the cameras, pictures, lights. All of these.
Bro, when I tell you I had like 7 heat strokes, it's hot, bro. I feel bad for the California people. It's 112 degrees in California, dog. It's only like, the high here is like 92 or something like that. Ridiculous. But as you guys seen, Christina's all nice and beautiful, and the RSX is all nice. This thing really cleans up good, man. Even on stocks, it look good. Even on stocks, it look good, boy. I think I should celebrate with 2 clean cars, man. I don't wash 2 cars in this slave weather. I deserve a celebration. You know how I plan on celebrating?
What can I get for you?
Hi, yes. I'm gonna need you to run me that vanilla bean frappuccino with them Java chips.
Righty, I'll have a total ready at the window.
Bet that up, shawty. Damn, this shit good. Y'all know me, bro. I made a big boo-boo. Today I'm supposed to be uploading. And, I don't know if I was gonna be possible. I didn't film yesterday. I know I'm supposed to be filming every day, but I didn't film yesterday. So I'm filming today, and there ain't no content to really film. So, yep. I had a little chip right here. I peeled it off, and I got to like right here, and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna take it.
X's and O's and interchange.
I'm gonna get my own vlog.
You're gonna get your own vlog?
My own vlogging channel.
You know he's gonna probably put this video in there too, right? And he gonna edit shit out.
Super facts.
Well, if you're seeing this, Percy, I hope you put it in there. Because Randy wants to put his own vlog. Alright, ice cream it is. Ice cream it is. Ice cream it is. Just water. Percy just had a what was it, a venti? Percy just had a venti frappuccino, right? But he's finna go get another one. His stomach gonna be fucked up. You gonna turn it off? No.
No, she's still recording.
That boy Rob. You think you gonna do a pool?
I think he'll do.
You think? I don't think you gonna do a pool. Alright, let's see. Let's see if you do a pool.
How do you do?
Damn, man, I wanna go boost, dog. Somebody sell me an $800 RSX boost kit. Thank you. So, by the title of this video, this just happened. Long story short, I ran into my mom's car. It was parked. I was trying to leave the driveway and I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to find a good song to cruise out to pick up this nigga so we can go to the gym. And I hit the car, so, yup. And meanwhile, I'm trying to take off the spoiler, but I can't because I got 2 rusted bolts. And okay, I guess this guy's gonna let me go. Oh nah, he's gonna go, but he waited till I get up there. Let me. Oh, shorty, what you looking at, shorty? What's happening? You saw what's happening with you? Nah, man. Let me stop playing. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. We're headed to the gym. Pause forward. Let me That's how I talk to girls. You go like, my name's Justin. I'm here to. Let me show y'all what happened to my car, dog. And there's no more wing on the car because, well, you guys seen in the previous clips, I took off a little bit of the carbon fiber wrap since it was peeling, and yeah, it was just looking bad. So this is how the car is going to look until I get the bumper repainted and get a new spoiler, because the spoiler actually is it's a replica spoiler and it was smaller than the actual Type S spoiler. So I gotta get another wang. I'm thinking about going big wang gang. What y'all think? So my Type S is starting to look like a base model. This is how it starts, bro. This is how it starts. It don't look that bad though. Yeah, it kind of does. Especially this stuff right here. It just crumpled so easily. Ugh. Trash. But that license plate frame though. Ugh. And that new Zosh MFG Passion Breeze quality sticker though. Ugh. I mean, they don't look that bad. They really don't look that bad. Oh, and before I close out this video, don't forget. Mango Hat Boys up 5.
Checking in. Oh, we checking in. We checking in. Roger that.
Yup. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not like the video, please dislike the video. I don't give a f. And you already know I love each and every single one of you. I'm gonna go devour those wings you just saw. Oh, merch down below. License plate frames, shop banners, new stickers down below. ZoshMFG.com. Show your love and support. Or else.
Or else what, nigga? What you gonna do?
Or else I'm gonna get a job, nigga. Relax. God damn. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace and love and positivity.